The New York Attorney General's office is saying it is recusing itself from the investigation into the events ahead of Robert Brooks' death in a Marcy prison. The decision comes as 4 of the officers in the incident are being defended by the AG's office in other matters. The possibility of a conflict of interest prompted the appointment of an external prosecutor. The AG's office appointed Onondaga County District Attorney William Fitzpatrick.
It is critically important that justice is served, and this decision ensures that it will be.
Fitzpatrick has served Onondaga County for over 30 years, and James says his office is ready to handle the complex investigation. New York Governor Kathy Hochul says she wants prosecutors to work quickly. She said, quote, "Too much time has passed without charges being brought against the individuals responsible."